try a couple new drinks. So let's see what they have. First one I'm gonna try is Aquarius. I heard it's their Gatorade. All right, here we go. That's so good. Like an 8 out of 10. Okay, let's try another. Next, we're gonna try this milk tea. Let's give this a try. Wait, this is so good. This is like a house milk tea. I've been eyeing this peach one. This is the last one I'm gonna try because I can't hold this many. We are 3 for 3. Oh my god, this is so good. Oh my gosh. It's like a peach soda. That's so good. Oh